Are you living your best life? Today, let's talk about how we block our dreams. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV, where today we're talking about 3 ways we block our dreams. Number 1, we allow our past baggage to clutter up the path to our future vision. I've done a whole lot of videos about clutter, which you can check out here. But clutter stagnates the energy in your space. Clutter energetically is sticky and it blocks your dreams, sticks to things, and makes more clutter show up. And it stagnates the energy in the space and slows everything down. And all the progress that you thought you were making towards your dream just comes to a standstill. The second thing we do is we self-sabotage. As soon as we start to grow and we get out of alignment with the energy that we've been comfortable with, meaning your comfort zone, as soon as you get out of your comfort zone, the energy feels different and it makes for the perfect storm of self-sabotage. And so we'll destroy the very thing that we're going after just so that we can stay comfortable in our bodies. And the third thing we do is we surround ourselves with people, places, and things that make us play small. It's all about that obligation energy and playing to the level that other people expect of you. And we reinforce that by surrounding ourselves with those people and objects that remind us of our limits and what we are allowed to do and what we are not allowed to do. And more often one of those things we're not allowed to do is have or chase our dreams. If you are ready to unblock your dreams and live your best life, schedule a complimentary design consultation at peaceandprosperityalignment.com. Before you go, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.